Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we'll understand what are keywords in Java. You all might have visited restaurants in your life, right? In restaurants, there are different areas. Few areas are reserved for specific reasons and for specific work, and few areas are unreserved. Unreserved areas are those areas where we generally visit to have our meals or dine out. But in reserved areas, like there could be a kitchen area where you'll see the cooks, and there could be a build-X area where you see the admin sitting collecting the cash or card from you. So these areas have specific meaning. Similarly, in Java, keywords are reserved words that have a predefined meaning in the language. So you cannot use those words for your own purposes. It has been reserved for the Java as a language, as a for Java's compiler to understand or to use those words. You cannot use in your daily day-to-day work. Okay, you cannot use them as identifiers. Like you cannot use them as variable names or class names or method names. You cannot use those keywords. What are those keywords? These are the list of keywords that are has been reserved, like abstract, continue, for, new, switch, etc. So if you see, we have used already we have used keywords like public. We have used public class. We have right. We have used right. Then class we have used, int we have used. So we have used these keywords already. Goto and const are reserved words but not used in Java. They have been reserved for some future implementation, but they are not keywords in Java. True, false, null. These are not keywords, but you cannot use them as identifiers. True, false, and null. These are not keywords, but you cannot use them as the name of your variable or method or class. Now, if you'll see in this student class, there are certain keywords I have highlighted: package, public, class, int, static, void. These are keywords that we have used, and you cannot use those keywords as your variable name or a class name or your method name. So if you'll see here, I am trying to use int, which is a keyword, as a variable name here, and there is a compilation error. Using keyword as a variable name, there is a compilation error, and the compilation error is syntax error on token int, invalid variable declared. So that's it for the lecture. Thank you.